This is Brandon with Be Clean Professionals, and this is what you see. I got black light, all right? Look, the sun's still out. Got the front door open. You can still see this fresh. Look, if your person's coming to do pet cleaning and they're not using this light, how do they know where the pet stains are at? How do they know where the odor's at? Look, we got a stain all up in here. All right, look at that, popping, right? Popping with the black light. Look, we got another one over here, popping. All right, we got one over here. All right, so I laid down my solution. I'm making sure it's wet, all right? This is the same stuff I sell online, okay? You can get this too, all right? So you're like, oh, well, you're just using a pad. You're not using, any hoses or anything. Guess what? Just like your phones, my age, we had Nokias and all that. We had the Nokia, then we had the Razr, now we got iPhones. Just like technology improves, so does the cleaning technology, all right? Those hoses are a thing of the past, man. All right, so let me go ahead and show you what we're about to get down here and do, and I'll show you the after here. What I'm doing here is I extracted it. I already did it because it was hard to do it with 2 hands. I extracted and I pulled that out. Now look, you see, look at the hair on the wall. You see the hair on the wall? Like, well, where's the dirt going? Look, I'm getting it out. It's on the wall. Now look at it all on the pad. That's where your dirt's going. It's getting extracted into this pad. And I want to do a second process here to make sure we really absorb it with a natural fiber. And you're going to see this natural fiber pad. This is a wool pad. I use this on the couch downstairs. I'm going to use it on the floor. Use it on the couch first because you sit on it. Floor is the feet touch. All right, so it's a natural fiber. So I want to go in this same way. This is going to absorb even more dirt, dander, hair. Maybe you can see the difference in the carpet already. Look at that. See? It's brighter. All right. Now I want to take 2 hands and get this up. And so there it is. Look, nothing's popping. All right, now I'm going to show you something here. She's standing over there. Nothing's popping anymore. All right, see what I just did? Let me show you something. This is the pet, all right? Now we're focusing on the carpets. Look at this. See that right there? See that popping? That's your pet going on the wall. All right, now we ain't focusing on the wall, but we're going to let our customer know, hey, we got some popping on the wall, which means it's a splatter. That's urine splatter. All right, so your pet cleaner comes in here. He's using this, and he's not doing it right. Come on. That's not your pet cleaner. He's not doing what he needs to be doing. All right, so stay tuned for the next video here. And this is just a little pet urine. This is what we do. I sell the solution online. Go ahead and log in, hit under order now, scroll to the very bottom. 7 to 10 business days to come out to you. And we also got samples on there. I always like to show here in our video that our logo does have a meaning. If you've seen the video in the beginning, the dove brings it back. Olive branch represents peace and also a new beginning. The carpet wand is actually what I started with 5 years ago. So you got your carpet wand and your peace symbol. So every time we're cleaning someone's home, we're coming in your home with peace, all right? We're giving you a peace of mind. You don't know us, we don't know you, but we're coming in there representing peace and give you some fresh new beginnings. Once we go ahead and clean, some people don't clean because maybe they have mental health issues or they're not getting stuff done. We want to make sure we give you that fresh start.